Subscribe the channel ProzTech and press the bell icon to get latest technology videos once we release. More importantly, the subscription to the channel is completely free. Friends, nowadays smartphones are the need of everyone, and if you want to upgrade your smartphone to some other phone, then this video would help you decide what to buy and what not. Therefore, to get this useful information, watch this video completely till the end, because I am going to share all info with you, so you are at right place. Welcome friends, you are watching ProzTech, so let's get started. Friends, so starting with OnePlus device, it runs Android 8.1 Oreo and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor with 2.8 GHz octa-core with GPU Adreno 630. Whereas Oppo F5 works on Android 7.1 Nougat and comes with Helio P23 and 2.5 GHz octa-core and with GPU Mali G72 MP12. Moving on to display, then OnePlus 6 is 6.28 inches device, comes with Optic AMOLED display having resolution 2280 by 1080 pixels and 402 ppi pixels density, and it comes with front and back 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 5 skin protection with Oxygen OS. Whereas Oppo F5 is 6 inches device with LTPS IPS Full HD display having resolution 2160 by 1080 pixels and with 402 ppi pixels density. Talking about the internal memory, then OnePlus 6 is available in 3 variants. One is 256GB with 8GB RAM and others in 128GB and 64GB with 6GB RAM. Moreover, this phone does not support external microSD card. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in different colors like mirror black, midnight black and silk white colors. Moving on to Oppo F5, it is available with 32GB ROM with 4GB RAM and 64GB ROM with 6GB RAM and also supports microSD up to 256GB. Friends, 64GB with 6GB RAM is available in red color only. Oppo has produced this device in gold, black and red colors. If we talk about the dimension of OnePlus 6, it measures 155.7 by 75.4 by 7.75 mm of height, width, thickness and 177 grams of weight. Friends, the good thing in this flagship smartphone is that this comes with dedicated dual nano SIM slots. Whereas Oppo F5 is measured in 156.5 by 76 by 7.5 mm of thickness and 152 grams of weight with dual nano SIM support. About the camera, then OnePlus 6 comes with dual 16 plus 20 megapixels cameras with Sony sensor, 1.7 apertures, autofocus, phase detection, object image stabilization, EIS and dual LED flash. You will also have geotagging, touch focus, HDR and panorama modes as well. Friends, this phone supports different shooting modes like 4K video at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second, 720p at 30 or 120 frames per second with time-lapse and slow motion shooting modes. For selfie shootouts, this phone comes with 16 megapixels front camera with 2.0 aperture, 1080p recording, HDR and can capture smiles and face beauty also. Moving on to primary camera of Oppo F5, it is equipped with 16 megapixels primary camera with 1.6 aperture, digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, continuous shooting. You can also find geotagging, touch focus, face detection, panorama and HDR. Friends, it shoots out videos of 1080p at 30 frames per second as well. Oppo F5 also comes with secondary camera of 20 megapixels with 2.0 aperture for selfie shootouts. It gives you real-time selfie as Oppo claimed. Friends, in OnePlus 6, beside the face unlock, the fingerprint scanner is perfectly positioned on the back panel of the phone. This also comes with different sensors like Hall sensor, accelerometer, gyro sensor, proximity, RGB ambient light sensor, electronic compass and sensor hub. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, DLNA, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, fast battery charging with 5 volts and 4 amperes dash charger and with Type-C reversible connector. This phone is also powered by 3300 mAh non-removable battery as well. Whereas Oppo F5 comes with fingerprint sensor on back panel of the device and comes with light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and compass. This phone also comes with GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, 3.5mm audio jack, micro USB 2.0, USB on the go and 4G VoLTE support. Oppo F5 is also equipped with 3200 mAh non-removable battery as well. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.